Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take your eyebrows from this to this using just a razor blade. My name is Mobalaji if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to the video. The very first tool you are going to be needing for this process is a mascara wand. Now you can get a mascara wand as a brush on its own, and you can also get it in a brush set, very affordable. A razor blade, extremely affordable. Then you are also going to be needing an edge control. Any form of edge gel or like eyebrow gel is actually fine. So the very first step we're going to be taking is to brush up the eyebrow, the hair, brush it up, just to see what you're working with. Brush it very well. Then you go into your edge control just to lay the eyebrow down and to make sure it lays flat. The reason for doing this is because most people that have bushy eyebrows like this, their eyebrows are always, most of the time, is always very coily and always very difficult to navigate or like maneuver around it. So this is why you have to use any form of gel that you have to lay the eyebrow flat like this. If you can spot the difference already, it is easier for you to trim an eyebrow that is in place like this than the other one that is very coily and rough. So the beauty of an eyebrow is the brow bone, like the highlights in the brow bone area. So because of that, the very first thing you want to do is to take off the excess hair on the brow bone. You're not going in to just take off all of the hair in that section, but you just want to make sure the brow bone is highlighted. So you just go in depending on the shape you want. If you want it really, like you want a really high arc, you go in high. If you just want a moderate arc, you just go in moderately. If you want it to be straight, you don't even want an arc at all, you just go in straight like that, like I did in the brow bone area. Then I went further to the tip of the brow, just to make sure that it rhymes with the arc that I was already making at the brow bone area, if you get what I mean. Then I went to the top of the brow, and I'm just cleaning up the top of the brow because the eyebrows are so long, and I don't want it to be that long. I don't want it to be that wide. Yeah, that's the word. I don't want it to be that wide. So I went in with my blade again to just trim it and cut it to my desired size. Yeah, desired size. So you just do that at the top. You're not going all in to like make the eyebrows super tiny or anything like that, so that when you're going out and you're not drawing your eyebrow will still look nice, and it won't look like you've taken off all of the hair in that area. Then depending on the shape you want to create, you go to the tip of the eyebrow and just shape it that way, take off the excess hair in that area. As you can see, it's not looking like I've taken out all of the hair, and it's still looking shaped and really nice. Then I went to the top just to make it really neat, because she has a lot of hair and it wasn't looking defined enough, so I just went a little above her eyebrow just to clean it downwards. Then I asked her, and she said it was still a bit bushy. She wanted it to be light, even lighter. So I brushed down the brow hairs, and the ones that exceed the line that I already created at the bottom part, I just cut them off. I did that a couple of times, probably twice, and then by the time I brushed it back up, it was looking a lot more scanty, as you can see. So now I'm going to speed up the process on the other side. You guys already saw what I did on the other side, so you can see I went in with my edge control, pressed it down, went into the brow bone, took off some. By the way, I already cut this blade into two. In case I've not mentioned, I cut it into two just for easy manipulation, like just to be able to maneuver and hold it firmly. Then I went on like further just to clean it up and make everything prime. Brush it up again, like I kept brushing it up just to see if I had already gotten what I wanted. Then to get the desired size, I went to the top of the brow and I cleaned up the top of the brows. So that's basically how to trim your eyebrow at home by yourself. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you think this video was helpful enough, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.